Accidentally deleted your browser history? Here's how to recover it in minutes. First, stop browsing and close the browser to prevent overwriting data. Check if your browser sync or cloud account has a backup of history. Try reopening closed tabs or checking the browser's history page before using tools. On Windows, try System Restore or check file history for browser profile data. If that fails, use a reputable file recovery tool. I'll walk through the steps now. Open the recovery tool, select your browser profile folder and start a deep scan. Let the scan run until results populate, then filter for history, cookies, or places files. Preview recovered files and confirm timestamps to ensure you have the correct entries. Restore the file to a safe folder, then import or replace the browser's profile file as needed. Open your browser, verify recovered entries in the history, and sign out of any shared devices. Subscribe for more quick recovery guides and bookmark this video for reference.